Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Nougat Head in Berry Avenue. First, you'll want to launch the game and ensure you're in the main Berry Avenue map. This special item is a fun way to customize your character, and finding it involves a bit of exploration. We'll guide you through each step, making it easy to add this distinctive accessory to your collection. Get ready to enhance your avatar's look. To begin, head towards the hospital building in Berry Avenue. Once inside, make your way to the second floor. You're looking for a specific room there that holds a secret. It might seem a little tricky at first, but following these steps will lead you directly to where you need to be. Keep an eye out for any unusual details as you explore this area. Within that secret room on the second floor, you'll need to locate a hidden button or an interactive object. It's often subtly placed, so look carefully around the furniture and walls. Once you find it, simply interact with it to claim your Nougat Head. The item will then be added to your inventory, ready for you to equip and show off to your friends. Now that you've successfully obtained the Nougat Head, don't forget to equip it from your inventory to complete your new look. Berry Avenue is full of many other exciting secrets and customization items, so keep exploring. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and have fun customizing your avatar.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.